What we found today is not the spring we see, but all the shades of green. It's not how long I held you in my arms. What matters is how the years together. It's not how many summer times we had to give to fall, the early morning smile we tearfully recall. What matters most is that we love them